Welcome friends, welcome to our YouTube channel Genius E-Learning. Today we will see the importance of info record and how it created in SAP system. Now while you creating a PO, the net price will be taken from info record if you maintaining. If you're not maintaining, so you need to put it manual. Okay. So how to create info record in SAP system we will see. The T code for info record is ME11 and is to change ME12 and for display ME13. Now we will see in SAP system how to create it. So I will create info record for vendor M1000, material M800, purchase information ME01, plant M222. Okay, now there is the info category. Okay, so there are four categories: standard, subcontracting, pipeline, consignment. Okay, standard it creating a standard PO. Okay, there is a no any account assessment category, no any item category. Okay, now subcontracting is nothing but if you want to create if you want to use a outsourcing, means if you want to assemble your parts from another vendor, and if you want to uh, process on material from outsourcing, so you need to create info record for that subcontracting category. Now pipeline nothing but the consumption in company, that water consumption, electricity consumption. So you need to create a material for that with material type pipeline. And so after that creating a material, you need to maintain the info record with the pipeline category. Third is consignment. Consignment is nothing but mm, we take a permission to keep a vendor's material in our premises. Means for example, if you need 1 lakh material for a whole 1 year, so vendor sends that 1 lakh material in our premises, but we will not pay for that. Okay, we will pay for that when you use that material. Okay, so you need to create a info record for consignment and at that time. So currently I am creating an info record for standard. Enter. So that tab will be came from material master mm01. Okay, so that's when you maintaining the purchasing value key. So this first reminder, second reminder, third reminder, where reminder to vendor to send us a material. So maintain data, order unit each, all that I will came from material master. uh, or country origin, region. Okay, enter. So I'm entering the 10 in material master for planned delivery time. Now purchasing group, standard quantity for PO, I think I take a 10,000, minimum quantity take a 10. Also tax code B0. Also net price, net price 110 is our net price for each material. So there's also condition. We also maintain a condition for such a periods from today to at the end of month, end of this year, price will be 110. Okay, so you also maintain the scales. So click on that row, scales. For scales nothing but from one quantity to 1000, it will be 110. From 1001, price will be 109 rule per each material. From 2001, it will be 108. This will be condition. It will maintain it info record. So back. Okay, so you also maintain the conditions for a period. Okay, now validity periods. Okay, so click on that for validity periods. Okay, so you also maintain the conditions. Okay, now save. So info record created. Okay, with that material, this material will, this number range I had maintained uh, internal number range. Okay, so I hope you understand that video, how to create info record. If any problem, if any errors, please comment me. If you like and understand video, please like, subscribe, and press the bell icon. Thank you guys. Thank you.